What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lydia Simba. I am coming live to you from the Karura forest. So we are here to this is like my first time in Karura. I want to see the activities that I can actually engage myself in. Of course, there'll be a lot of walking, a lot of sweating, laughing, and crying. So come along with me and enjoy nature. Remember, I told you I love nature, and I believe that nature also has a place for me. So that is the parking lot, and this is a map of the place. Currently, we are here. Okay, the plan is to go this way. We go up, up, up to the waterfall. Remember, we have a waterfall here. We have caves. This is, I think, where you come for like team buildings and whatever. And also there is this place. So for us today, we think the plan is walk from here. We do all that to the waterfalls. Maybe we shall get time to go to the caves and enjoy. So be my audience. Let's do this, guys. Karura forest is very green, full of eucalyptus. These are eucalyptus trees, right? Eucalyptus. And I believe we are gonna have a good time. So you can bring your dogs here as well for a walk. The sun is giving, and Karura Forests is like so homely. Of course, it can never be a fun activity without Kobe Kobe.
Without Kobe.
Yes, we are here with Kobe Nata, with Anwaura, and another gentleman that you'll be seeing later. But in the meantime, let's enjoy Karura Forest, guys. I can't believe I've never been to Karura, but there's always a first time for everything. And here it's a serious business. You come here with your sports gear and do the exercise. This is a grown tree. It's eucalyptus. Remember, I told you eucalyptus trees are the majority in this area. This could be several years, could even be over 30 years from the look of things. It's a beautiful night. Oh, the breeze is giving, guys. I'm enjoying the cool breeze. And then one thing I've loved about this place is that they've set aside benches. If you feel tired and you want to take a break, you can actually go on the side and take a break, like this one here. So every yeah. Let me take a breather. So guys, I've noted like after every it could be like 200 meters or so, you get such a bench. You come, take a rest. But for me, it's not yet time for me to rest. I am determined to do 10 kilometers today. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Karura Forest, don't forget, baby. I told you guys that is Kobenata. Kobenata, how is it going? Eh, are you enjoying yourself? You sit.
We enjoy life. We enjoy life like this.
Okay.
Yeah, we enjoy it.
So I think the idea of having these benches is really fascinating. Yeah. We keep on moving, but guys,
How do you feel, Hal? So far, so.
so ladies and gentlemen, I am also here with the one and only, it's underscore Anne Maura. So Anne Maura, introduce yourself to my beautiful audience.
Hi.
And also let us get to know what you feel about Karura Forest.
Yeah. Hi, guys. Thank you so much, Lydia, for having me once again in this channel that is becoming my home slowly by slowly. And thank you also for your hospitality, for wanting to meet us. It doesn't happen every day. So, guys, the views, the ambience down here is just on another level.
It's to die
amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. And you just connecting to nature has something.
for.
You just feel relaxed. It is even soothing.
It's soothing. Actually, I usually tell people this kind of environment is therapeutical.
Yeah, very, very, very.
You come here, you free your mind, walk, talk to the trees, and connect with nature.
Yeah.
What you guys need to know is that actually Anne hails from Eldoret, and so she's been in Nairobi for the last couple of weeks. Of course, she's here on official duties, and by official duties, I mean that she's come here to bring you hot vlogs from Nairobi. So if it's your first time coming across Anne, I welcome you to go and join her in a beautiful channel. I will pin like a description there. Go support her and let her know that you came from the one and only Lady Simba.
Yes, guys, I will really appreciate that. As we walk this YT journey. Yeah, we need that support. It is highly appreciated, guys. And if you're watching this video and you've not given that thumbs up, guys, what are you waiting for? Go ahead, give this video a thumbs up, share her out to a friend, tell a friend to tell a friend, okay? So that you can continue to support us as we walk this journey. Yeah, so we are going to share amazing views here from Lydia's side and my side. So check it out from our lens, guys, and let us know on the comment section what you think about it.
Yes, let's do this. Let's do this, guys.
Yeah, and this is the view that we are walking in.
Yes.
Interesting, Sana.
We are almost nearing the waterfall, I hope so.
Yeah.
So don't get tired. Let's keep on going.
Yes. And enjoy the amazing...
I love the way they've made like very clear roads.
Yeah.
You don't have to second guess yourself.
Yeah.
Like
Unlike...
the road.
Yeah, yeah.
Unlike somewhere else that I won't mention the name.
Yeah.
Here it's very clear.
Yeah.
And you can hear the sound of the
leaves swaying. Yeah. Beautiful and amazing sounds. This is they also have these signs here, so no access, restricted wildlife area. Yeah, nobody goes there. Yeah, here we have a river.
So Anne, where are we going? This is 10.
Yeah. You're supposed to
Two caves and waterfall. That
way.
way.
That is where we are going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember from the beginning, I told you that my interest is to go to the caves and the waterfalls. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. There's so many of us here. But I can't wait to see the waterfalls. I can't wait. What does this one say? That's the name of that tree. Munyenye.
That is, I think that is a Kikuyu name.
Yeah, it could be a Kikuyu name.
Yeah.
And then this one, the other one is the
Dry pits. Is the
dry pits, Geradi. Whoa!
For timber.
So is it a hardwood or softwood?
This one they didn't indicate, but I think this is soft.
Soft? Maybe. Okay, we keep on.
I'm telling him certificate.
And behind me is our guide for today, or our security personnel for today. You know, girls cannot walk without a man. So today's security is being provided pro bono by this gentleman.
Yeah. So guys, my name is Juan Miguel Africa. I'm a YouTuber, nafanya a lot of stuffs. Bado I'm a music producer, videographer, photographer, na pia nafanya graphics design, yeah. So nafanya a lot of stuffs. Yeah.
So does it mean that your channel inaleta hizi vitu zote pamoja?
Yeah, like wajua nikianza nilikuwa na post tu music kwenye channel yangu, lakini
what kind of music?
Nafanya afropop. Yeah. Okay. So the more naendelea, the more pia nikaona instead ya kuweka music peke yake kwenye channel, hiyo inachukuanga like inaweka sana mafans because music huwezi weka kila siku.
Maybe we can be walking around.
Yeah, so music huwezi fanya kila siku. Ndo ilifanya sasa nikaanza kufanya hizi vitu zingine. Nikaanza kufanya content creation, interviews, street interviews, na pia saa zingine na post some of the lifestyle zenye vitu zenye nafanya kwenye life pia.
So far, how is it?
The journey iko fine, but YouTube kuna challenges. Lazima upitie challenges because hata after tuseme hata maceleb wanapitianga au wenye saizi wako na millions of subscribers pia wanapitia, wako na challenges tu zao, lakini kwenye hii journey ufai ku give up. Ukishaanza ni kusonga.
Okay, so giving up is not an option. Have you been to Karura before?
No, it's my first time by the way. And the place is cool. Napenda venye kuko like kuna fresh air. Alafu wenye unapata huko around ni watu wenye kuna vibe poa, alafu the place iko tu poa kabisa.
Yeah, me I think what I've really liked so much about Karura is that wame provide barabara. The roads are very well clearly defined.
Yeah.
So it's very accessible. Like it's cause there are a lot of birds here.
Yeah.
Maybe they are peeing on us.
Yeah, so but hii place iko poa.
Yeah, the place is beautiful. Pia watu.
Watu wako mob. Like the place yenye watu ni mob, so security pia iko poa. Ja, kuna place zingine unaendaga unapata ukikutana na mtu mmoja tena unatembea for kitu kama 1 hour.
Mimi kitu imenibamba ni hizo viti. I won't lie.
Oh, hizo viti ziko napo.
Yeah. So where are we? Remember we are going to the waterfalls and
so I think the other side.
No, it's up.
Up? So tunaenda hivi.
15 kilometers.
So we are that is one. Oh, sorry, I'm sorry. 1.5. I don't know.
So the
So
waterfall
it's
is
this
over
way.
Mhm.
We are going this way. It is showing there.
So we are 1 kilometer away to the waterfalls and the caves. Kobenata, are there any birds here? Not birds, animals.
I think that place we saw that was no access.
Eh.
I think there could be animals.
There could be animals
because
there.
It's written there.
Huh.
No drones allowed so that you don't interfere with ecosystem.
Ecosystem.
Yeah.
Okay.
You see?
But also, you know, here there are so many embassies around this area, so they cannot compromise with security. Yeah.
So this place, Little Simba.
Our tongue, a muscle pool again. This one is Chaitakmers Aristata
Aristata.
Muyuyu.
Almasiasia.
Oh my goodness. I am not responsible for any bad pronunciation of those botanical names because, man, what is that? What is that? Remember, we are walking towards the waterfalls and the caves. So let's keep on going. Another one. Crybatia broni mokombo. Mokombo. Eh? See, guys are running here. Huh? And you know, the environment is very conducive because it's like now we are walking under trees. So the hot sun is not like hitting you directly. So, and then of course the cool breeze, I think it is charging you to want to run more. So clearly there are places where you are not allowed to like enter because of the wildlife. And I love the way this place is well, you know, kept. Yeah. Remember those resting seats again? The ladies are taking a break. This is a cyclist of the day. Huh? So the activities range from nature walk, people are running, others are cycling, and others are on romantic picnics. So you come here and choose your battle and your strength and your struggle. Ladies, actually, me, I think I'm tired of being alone. Every time I come to such places, but I remember even the time we went to the time we went to Safari Walk.
Yes.
We were the only single ladies there.
I'm tired.
Yesterday I was
The
in
other time we
town.
went to
You guys
Ololua.
Get me someone.
We were the only ones without our significant
have
others.
Imagine.
And now today. So guys, I'm here. Take me.
Take her
We
away.
go
Take
to the
me.
waterfalls. There's
This side, let's see.
Yeah. I remember even we came here and took some photos. And the waterfall is here. I think it's a big one.
So guys, we've made it this far to the waterfalls. Let's take a breather. We reflect on this beautiful God-given environment. Reflect about our beautiful life, and I'll see you at the waterfalls on the next video. Otherwise, you've been amazing. You've been such an amazing audience. Let's see you on the next one at the caves. So this place is so nice. So it's been amazing. And guys, you have seen for yourself. Okay, so I think you can hear the sound of the water. So I don't want to spoil the fun for you. You'll have to stick around for you to enjoy the waterfalls. That is the water over there. Oh.
Yeah.